Hi guys, welcome to the concluding part of this tutorial video. Now let's start our work. We are aware that we are done with our insole, we are done with our upper. So the next step is for us to last. As we all know, the area where we are to apply gum is the other side of our insole, the back of our insole and our upper part, which is our leather. Now we have to apply gum to both the insole where our upper is going to rely on and our upper itself. So you can't apply gum on that suede now. You're going to apply gum to the other side. So we just make sure we retouch our gum, because on our lasting process it actually requires retouching of our gum, right? It requires retouching of our gum for long lasting footwear. That's the essence. There's no blah blah blah, there's no too much talk. That is the essence. So just stay tuned and make sure you touch, follow the process. It's very simple. Now it's for us to last. Come and see the simple way for me to last this, or let me say the simple way that I'm going to last this, or let me say the simple formats that you can use as a beginner when you want to last, or for you to last. I hope you are getting something. I hope you are gaining something. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment, to throw the question through the comments, right? Please don't hesitate to do that. And I'm going to love to reply. I read every comment, every single comment. I read every comment. So now look at the way I want to fix the second strap. You can see as simple as ABC. As simple as what? As ABC. Look at the way it is. I don't lasting. Lasting is very simple. Some people think it's very difficult. So I need to use that method to last the second fit. Here is not the first time. This is not the first time I'm seeing this. Right? This is not the first time I'm saying it. Okay, see it now. I purposely don't put this thing to like running process. That's what I'm doing gradually, guys, so you can get it one after the other. So that's how you're going to last it. Just follow the area where you mark out, right? Hold the area where you mark out, then join it together. You can see that it's actually what? It's corresponding. It's actually together. They are both in same lane. Then after that, you have to join it together. Now, if you are following me from the pattern of this video, you know that this is the third time I'm telling you that you should retouch. This area now you have to retouch. My brother, my sister, retouch your gum. If you don't retouch, you are going to see that after 2-3 days what you do that for what you did have pull up, or pull off rather. So what is the essence of you learning further on YouTube? I'm saying my own now. So make sure you retouch. What's the last insole and the sole? And please try to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, comment. Every poor picking, please. Try to please support me. I'm a small content creator. Please help my life. Please help me to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you want physical class, you can actually let me know so I can help you to share graph to achieve what you want. We are actually into belts and any other thing, but anything about leather we are doing it. So you have to gum it together now. You have to gum it together and make sure you apply sugar at the edges, right? You have to apply sugar at the edges, then gum it together. My people, I love it. Although it's not for me, it's for customer. It's for customer, but I feel the work that I did as in, oh my god, this footwear is cool, and it's one of the trending footwear. Yeah, it's actually one of the trending footwear. Press it. You can see I'm pressing it. I have two ways in doing this thing this way. Maybe another method for me joining my last heading so and so together, I'm going to show you. Thank you very much. Look at the finished product. Look at where we arrive. Look at this. I mean, film this. That's the end of our tutorial video. Thank you. Please do it by subscribe, like, comment and share. It goes a long way. Thank you.